Namaste, Hari Om. I'm Acharya Pratishtha. Sometimes you need an instant boost of energy. Sometimes you're so tired that you feel pain in your back, though you're not suffering from any kind of back pain still. Because of a tired schedule or a tired routine, you just feel so much pain in your back that you want some instant relaxation. So, I am sharing with you a very, very easy yogic practice. It's a specific Bharat Yoga practice and it's called Gati because there are several Gatis which are being created at Mokshaitan Yoga Sansthan under the guidance of Vandini Gurudev Swami Bharat Bhushanji. And this Gati is known as Gardab Gati. So, Gardab means a donkey. So, when a donkey is tired, what he always does is he we call it in Hindi gadha lot. So he does rolling to instantly get energy because donkey is a being an animal which really has to work hard. So he needs instant energy. He just relaxes his spine because he weighs so much of weight on his back that this Gardav Gati relaxes him instantly. Same is what we are going to learn today. So what you have to do is put your mat just like I have my mat here. Never ever do it on the bed or Dunlop or any of the surface which is not firm. So always do it on a firm surface as I'm doing. So lie down on your back. And what you have to do is first just relax. Even after a hectic, tiring day, lying in this position is going to give you instant relaxation. Just lie down. Let your spine be absolutely straight. Feel whatever is happening in your spine, at your shoulders, in your body. Relax. Now, lift up your both legs at 45-degree angle. Those who suffer from back pain shall not lift up their legs. They have to just bring their legs closer to their heels closer to their hips. I will show you both ways. So people with healthy back shall do it this way. Okay. Now I will show you the way those with having some back conditions shall do. So now see. Okay. And then so you can come to this position through both ways I have shown you. What we have to do is with absolutely normal breathing, this is going to be so much of fun and you will see some natural massage. You will feel natural massage at your spine. How do we do this? Okay. In a flow. When you do it in the flow, it is not going to hurt you at any point of practice. Never do it with a jerk. Always do it with the flow. Complete spinal massage. Natural spinal massage. And then lie down. Now this was the first part. Now what do we do? That was frontal and backward rolling. Now we do sideward rolling. Generally, when advanced practitioners do it, they also lift up their head. But since we are doing it for beginners and we are doing it for those who might have some back issues, hence it's advised that you do it this way. Now, bring your legs down. Stretch your legs and relax. Without any massage person, you have got a complete back massage and it is so relaxing. Circulation of blood is better now. I'm feeling so much energetic and relaxed both at the same time, which is a beautiful feeling. Now, stretch your hands. Stretch your entire body. Everybody can do the stretching. Exhale, bring your hands down. One more time, stretch. Exhale and down. One more last time, stretch. Exhale and down and relax. Now turn towards side and then sit down. Never ever sit straight away. Always turn towards your side and then sit down. So this was such an easy practice which everybody can do easily and everybody can get benefit out of it. Stay tuned, stay happy, stay blessed. Very soon I'll be sharing a very important sitting stretch with you, which is going to give you slimmer waist, which is going to help you in losing your abdominal fat, and which is also going to give you wonderful health, and it is going to make you beautiful. So I will be sharing it in the next episode. Do not miss it. Stay happy, stay healthy. Hari Om.